Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pradosh Sharma, and you are watching News Flash. Countdown begins at 8 a.m. for Maharashtra and Jharkhand Assembly elections. Exit polls predict NDA retains Maharashtra, while Indie Bloc may gain Jharkhand despite internal revisions. Canadian government denies reports alleging PM Modi's awareness of Hardeep Ninja's murder plot, calling them speculative and inaccurate. The claim cited unnamed officials but lacks government endorsement. Security forces killed 10 Maoists in Sukma, Chhattisgarh, recovering automatic weapons. The operation followed a tip-off with DRG and CRPF jointly engaging Naxal forces. Khalistani pressure forced the cancellation of a Vaishno Devi temple event in Canada. The temple administration condemned police incompetence and demanded solution for community safety. 288 companies of central forces deployed in Manipur amid ongoing violence. CRPF issued SOPs with over 3,000 looted weapons recovered and 258 deaths since May. Supreme Court ordered Delhi to set up checkposts at 113 entry points, citing lapses and enforcing Grab 4 restrictions. It will review restrictions based on AQI trend on November 25th. Developed nations pledged $250 billion annually by 2035 for climate finance, far below the $1 trillion goal. Developing countries expressed shock at the draft agreement. Trump's potential election win could strain NATO and impact the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Meanwhile, ICC issued arrest warrants for Netanyahu and others over alleged war crimes. During visits to Nigeria, Brazil and Guyana, PM Modi met 31 leaders and showcased India's rich heritage through diplomatic gifts and cultural diplomacy. Khalistani groups disrupted life certificate events for Indian pensioners in Canada, leading to cancellation and pension delays, according to intelligence sources. Over 100 monkeys died after inhaling aluminium phosphide at an FCI warehouse. Police exhumed the bodies for postmortem and began investigations. Kerala CM announced a judicial commission led by Justice C.N. Ramachandran Nair to address Munapam's land ownership issue without evicting residents. Mumbai attack accused Tahavar Rana seeks US Supreme Court intervention after losing lower court cases against his extradition to India. Top UK defense officials stated the army is prepared to counter Russian aggression in Eastern Europe, ensuring readiness for immediate action if needed. Several nations, including Canada and Ireland, agreed to comply with ICC warrants for Netanyahu over Gaza war crimes, though enforcement remains uncertain. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.